Hello, my dear lovely students. Now let us begin our exercise 3.2 and 3.3. 3.2 and 3.3 is based on median and mode. A mean already we have done in previous one exercise 3.1. Mean means we can say approximately and we can say average. Average of any number, yeah, either we can say approximately. Mode. Mode means which number is coming maximum time and we can say fixed quantity. Here I am giving example for mode. Suppose at your home your father purchased some ice cream, okay, and that quantity will be fixed according to your members, according to your family member. So that is the call your mode. Suppose in your family member are 7 members are there in your family, okay, so ice cream, how many ice cream you will see? 7. So this is the mode of according to this example, okay. Median we are finding in two way. If the even term you are getting, then we are using this kind of the formula. If you are getting odd term, then we are using this kind of the formula. Suppose here is giving one example. I am taking for one example. Here is the data: 2, 3, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Here I am taking this example and here is the data. 1, how many term is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many term? 7 term. If you are getting 7 term, then it is your odd term. So we are using this kind of the formula. Odd term के लिए क्या हो जाएगा? n की जगह we will replace this 7. 7 plus 1 upon 2. It means 8 upon 2. डिवाइड लगाए तो कितना है? 4. अब फोर्थ वन टर्म यू जस्ट काउंट इट. 1, 2, 3 एंड 4. ये 4 वाली टर्म तुम्हारी क्या हो गई? मीडियन. फॉर फाइंडिंग ए मीडियन फर्स्ट स्टेप ऑलवेज यू रिमेंबर, मैंने ये जो डेटा लिया है वो डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में ऑलरेडी अरेंज करके लिया है. तो तुम्हें मीडियन जब भी फाइंड करना है सबसे पहले डेटा को डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर या असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है, डिपेंड ऑन यू, जिसमें तुमको अरेंज करना है. अरेंज करने के बाद में सी कि इवन नंबर का फॉर्मूला लगाना है और नंबर का. और नंबर के लिए अपन ये वाला फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे, टर्म फाइंड आउट करेंगे. आफ्टर फाइंड योर टर्म देन लुक एट दिस इज़ द फोर्थ टर्म. कौन सी टर्म देखनी है अपन को? वी हैव टू लुक फोर्थ वन टर्म एंड दिस इज द फोर्थ टर्म इज योर 6. So 6 is your median. Understood now? For if the odd term you will face. Now think about even number term. Here is the one more example I will take. Here is not in ascending order. Okay. These are the data. Suppose of anything, these are the data. So first step, arrange in ascending and descending, depend on you. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First these are the term in 6 term. 6 term, it means even term. We are talking about even term and we are finding here median. Okay. So first we have to arrange in ascending order or descending. Here I am arranging ascending order. 1, then after 2, 3, 4, 6 and 9. Okay, after arranging in ascending order, what is the formula of find out? N upon 2 and n upon 2 plus 1. Here is how many term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N is equal to 6 term we have. So you have to substitute in this value. Substitute किया तो 6 upon 2. Here 6 upon 2 plus 1. 6 2 से 6 में डिवाइड लगाया 3 टाइम and here 3 plus 1, 3 and 4. Okay, 3 and 4. So you have to see the third and fourth term. What is the third and fourth term in this equation? 1, 2, 3. This is the third term and this is the fourth term. So we have to replace the digit here. Which term third? 3 here. 3 की third term here. 4 की fourth term here. Then after second step, इनको प्लस करो और डिवाइड लगा दो. 7 अपॉन 2 इज इक्वल टू 3.5. सो इवन टर्म के लिए मीडियन क्या होगा? इस तरीके से अपन फाइंड आउट करेंगे. आफ्टर सब्स्टिट्यूट दिस काइंड ऑफ द फॉर्मूला, सब्स्टिट्यूट करने के बाद में जस्ट लुक एट द टर्म नंबर्स, थर्ड टर्म numbers and fourth term numbers. After finding this term number, add them and divided by this 2. This is the process to find out in even term your median. Okay. Mode, I already told you number of things which are repeated, that is called your mode. Now look at our exercise. Find the mode of the following. Which number is repeated maximum time? If you will see, in this mode, it is not necessary to arrange your number. You can find out which number is repeated maximum time. Which number is repeated? If you will see this 6 is repeated 3 times. So the mode of this data 6. क्या हो जाएगा इसका mode? 6. Okay. Here, which number is repeated maximum time? If you will see, this 12 is repeated 4 टाइम. तो इसका मोड क्या हो जाएगा आपका 12. इसमें कौन सा नंबर रिपीटेड हो रहा है? 1. इफ़ यू विल सी 1 इज़ रिपीटेड 3 टाइम. 2 इज़ रिपीटेड 1 2 3 टाइम. So 1 and 2, these both are the number repeated 3 times, and rather than other numbers are repeated minimum 2 times. So we can say 1 or 2, both can be mode of this data. Okay, understood? Next one. The size in centimeter the shirt sold by a shopkeeper in a month here. Size centimeter में these are the mention in our data, and shopkeeper sending according to this centimeter. How to sold we will just find out. Okay. Tabulate the above data. First we have to tabulate the above data and find the modal. Modal means mode we are finding. Okay. So what we have to do? Question number 2. How to tabulate this one in table. This is the way to have to tabulate your number. First you have to find smallest number in this data. Smallest number क्या आ रहा है तुम्हारा? So first you have to find the smallest number is 90 and highest number you can see 110. Okay. Now see this 90 numbers, how many times it's repeated as a frequency. That is called a frequency. 90 is repeated how many time? वो time क्या कहलाएगा? Frequency कहलाएगा. And we are arrange this number in ascending order like that in table 1. टेबल में इस तरीके से. ओके. 90 95. वंस यू हैव टू राइट द डेटा, द विच डिजिट इज नॉट रिपीटेड, विच साइज इज गिवन. 90 95 size and 100 and 105 and 110. These are the size is given according to this our data in our question. Now 90 is repeated in our data 8 time, 95 9 time, 100 7 time, 105 4 time and 110 3 time. If you will check from this data, you just count out. Suppose you are finding 90, so then you have to cut with a pencil in your book this 91 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. This is the easy way to find out how many times. With pencil you have to cut your data like that, and after counting how many times it's repeated, you have to note down in your this table 1 chart. 90 is repeated 8 times. Same as the process you have to follow remaining one numbers. Okay. Now after finding the frequency of these number, then you have to add them. Then I got here 31. That 31 is showing this 31. If it is correct, how can this frequency is correct? ये आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि frequency it's my correct or not? तो क्या करना है, इनका sum कर देना frequency का. After sum of this frequency, then you will check this. These are the number is 31 term or not. ये 31 term में है या नहीं? How can you see? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 and 31. It means my frequency is correct. If you are getting this according to this frequency, then if you are getting some problem, suppose you are doing some and you are getting a 30, it means you have did here some in frequency. Once again you have to check कि कौन से नंबर में तुमने frequency गलत लिखी है. Okay, this is the way to find out your wrong answer. Now after we have to finish tabulate the above data, and after now find the modal shirt size. Modal shirt size means mode. Which frequency is the highest? This, and this number is your 95. So answer of your second part 95. Okay. The color of the frock stitched by a boutique in a day are recorded as, it is a given. Pink 10 number of frocks are recorded like that. These numbers are given. Now question is given according to this. What color of the frock is favorite among the girl? Pink, because the number of frocks here in this pink one column. So answer is your pink. Next, what is a measure of central tendency of data, and what is it known as? Measure of central tendency of this data. Central tendency, it means we are finding here which number is maximum time, which rock is maximum time, 10, and this is the answer of what the measure 10 फर्स्ट आंसर. एंड व्हाट इट इज़ नॉन, अपन कौन सी सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी यूज़ कर रहे हैं? मूड. इफ़ यू आर राइटिंग है 10, तो इस 10 को अपन कैसे फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं? कौन सी टेंडेंसी यूज़ कर रहे हैं? मूड. एनालिसिस द फॉलोइंग सिचुएशन. Here we are doing analysis of these are the situation. Find in which of the following situation we can use mean or mode as representative value of the data. अपन को क्या क्या बताना है कि कब अपन मीन यूज़ करेंगे, कब अपन मोड यूज़ करेंगे. Here some situations are given. Okay, we are just analyzes the situation and find out. You have to decide the number of puris needed for 20 people going for picnic. Can you decide it your food कि तुम कितना लिमिट में खा सकते हो? वी कांट डिसाइडेड, वी कांट टेल कि हाउ मेनी पीपल्स दिस इज हाउ. तो अपन नहीं डिसाइड कर सकते कौन कितना क्या खाना कब खाएगा. तो हियर ये कह रहा है यू हैव टू डिसाइड द नंबर ऑफ पूरीज नीडेड फॉर 20 पीपल गोइंग फॉर पिकनिक. तो अपन को नहीं पता, वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग ऑफ फिक्स्ड क्वान्टिटी. तो यहाँ पे अपन यहाँ क्या यूज़ करेंगे? मीन. मीन मीन्स अप्रॉक्सीमेटली वी विल टेक फॉर 20 पीपल फूड. Next one, if only one soft drink can be bought for each individually, one soft drink we are bought for each individually, you have to decide the soft drink that should be taken along for the picnic. Along लेके जा रहे हैं सबके लिए. It will be decided, यानी each person getting one soft drink. It means fixed amount. So here we are using what the type of things we will use? Mood, because it is a fix कि एक one people are getting one soft drink. A shopkeeper selling shoes has to decided to top up his stock. यानी सेलिंग कर रहा है शूज़ को, बट इसने डिसाइडेड कर रखा है उसका टॉप अप फिक्स्ड रहेगा. तो इट मीन्स फिक्स्ड अमाउंट. व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग देन वी आर यूजिंग मूड. द कारपेंटर नीड टू एस्टिमेट द हाइट ऑफ द कबर्ड to keep your toys. Estimate means round off, and we don't know the fixed amount, then we are using their mean. Mean and mode, the difference you have always remember. Mode means we are using fixed quantity. Mean we are talking about approximately things.